everyone, welcome back. Continuing our series on ganache, today I am going to be making a water-based ganache. I'm going to be using blackberry puree though instead of just water, and I'm going to be using the Ruby chocolate by Callebaut. I got this recipe from the wonderful Ruby Encyclopedia. You can also get this from Cocoa Berry. It should be online on Amazon as well, but it's a wonderful book that shows you how many different ways you can use the Ruby chocolate to make so many fun different things. I just switched it up a little because this recipe was for raspberry puree, and I just really wanted you to see how gorgeous this blackberry puree comes out with the Ruby chocolate. It's really gorgeous with cassis as well. This color is just beautiful. All right, so for this recipe, there is sorbitol, which is a sweetener, and it's just a different type of sweetener. There's a whole bunch of different sweeteners on the market. So for this recipe, I'm just following it. It's using sorbitol. And we have sorbitol powder, so I'm gonna immersion blend it into my puree before I microwave it. Just wanna make sure it's nice and smooth. Don't fly everywhere, Argentina. Ta-da. All right, so now that the sugar that we are using has been blended into the puree, I'm gonna microwave this. I just want it to be warm. I don't, again, wanna cook out the liquid in it because I need the liquid to hydrate my chocolate. All right, now that we have our puree heated, I'm going to pour it over our chocolate. All right, so now that I have my hot puree, I'm gonna stir it in, let it sit and melt the chocolate a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back with the immersion blender to make a nice emulsion. Alrighty, so now that I have it mixed in pretty good, I'm gonna go back with the immersion blender to get a nice emulsion. All right, so you can see an immersion has been made. So now, since it's definitely under 90 degrees, I'm gonna go ahead and add the butter. Now you want the butter again because you want it to be a nice, creamy and smooth ganache, and it's just extra fat being added to it. Come on, there you go. It is stuck like Chuck. Alrighty. All right, so now just temp check your chocolate one more time and it should be ready to pipe into your molds or into whatever creation you decided to use this beautiful ganache for. But you see how pretty the color is? It'll be different with every different type of puree because this just looks blackberry to me. It's perfect. If you did raspberry, it'd be really, really red. Cherry morello is, beautiful. I mean, tons of options. So play around, experiment, and tell us what you think in the comments. Tune in next week to see us make another ganache in our series of ganaches. This ganache is going to be a whipped ganache.